In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write off an outstanding invoice in QuickBooks. Managing your accounts efficiently is crucial, especially when it comes to keeping tabs on unpaid invoices. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, payments don't come through, and it's important to know how to write these off properly. So, let's dive into how you can seamlessly handle this in QuickBooks Online. First, once you're logged in, look for the New button on your homepage. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu, and from there, you'll want to choose Credit Note. A credit note is an essential tool as it allows you to balance your books when invoices remain unpaid. It's similar to an internal note showing an adjustment to the customer's account, ensuring that your financial records remain accurate and transparent. Now that you're on the credit note page, the first thing to do is add your customer. Select the customer associated with the outstanding invoice you wish to write off. You'll then need to input the credit note date. It's best to use the date when you decide to write off the invoice, as this ensures your records remain up to date and precise. The next part is quite specific, but it's very important. Under the Services section, you'll need to type in bad debt. This entry helps categorize the amount correctly in your financial statements, ensuring it reflects as a loss. With that done, enter the amount you are writing off. This should match the total balance of the outstanding invoice. Be meticulous at this stage to ensure your books are accurate. Once all the details are filled in, click Save. This action officially creates the credit note that offsets the outstanding invoice. But there's a final step to fully apply this transaction. You'll need to go back to the Sales tab, where you can find the list of invoices. Click on Invoices, search for the customer's invoice you're writing off, and choose to receive payment. Here, you'll see an option to select the credit note you just created. This operation basically tells QuickBooks that the amount from the credit note should apply against the unpaid invoice. Finally, the last action is to click Save and Close. This completes the process, ensuring that the invoice is marked as paid using the credit note. Keeping your records accurate by marking outstanding invoices as bad debt is essential for financial clarity and planning. And that's it. You've now successfully written off an outstanding invoice in QuickBooks Online. Remember, maintaining accurate records is crucial for understanding the financial health of your business. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this guide helpful.